Hold on to your hats, folks, because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. We're diving deep into the brand new 2026 GAC Emzoom, and trust me, it's not what you expect. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something super exciting, the 2026 GAC Emzoom. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Another SUV? But hear me out. GAC has really stepped up their game with this one. From the aggressive styling, which honestly looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, to the surprisingly premium interior, the Emzoom is making a statement. We're talking sharp lines, a bold front grille that demands attention, and sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic vibe. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, we're expecting a powerful and efficient engine, rumored to be a turbocharged marvel, paired with a smooth transmission that delivers a surprisingly engaging driving experience. The interior is where things get really interesting. Think high-quality materials, a minimalist dashboard design, and a massive touchscreen infotainment system that's packed with features. Plus, it's supposed to come loaded with advanced safety tech, making it a safe and practical choice for families. We'll be diving into the specifics later, including fuel economy, horsepower, and all the nitty-gritty details. But for now, let's just say the initial impressions are incredibly positive. The price point is also expected to be incredibly competitive, making this a serious contender in the crowded SUV market now. Let's talk about the features that really make the 2026 Emzoom stand out. Beyond the eye-catching design and the powerful engine, GAC is packing this SUV with tech. We're talking advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to keep you and your family safe on the road. The infotainment system is also a major highlight, with a user-friendly interface, seamless smartphone integration, and a crystal-clear display. And let's not forget about the comfort features. The Emzoom is expected to offer spacious seating for 5 adults, plenty of cargo space for all your gear, and a panoramic sunroof that lets in tons of natural light. One of the most interesting rumors is a potential hybrid, or even a fully electric version in the near future. This would position the Emzoom as a leader in the eco-friendly SUV segment. The overall impression is that GAC is aiming for a sweet spot,